Hello, welcome to our table swinger factory. Today I will show you what's going on in our factory. So this side is normal MBB table swinger, and this side is BC table swinger. This swinger can weld IBC, ABC, HPBC solar cells, and normal table swinger can weld MBB, popcorn, PERC, and some kind of HJT. And also we manufacturing single solar cell. So I'll show you some samples. So this is BC solar cell. And this is popcorn MBB solar cell. And this is PERC MBB solar cell. And this is single solar cell. Thank you.